As y'all boys see, it's a beautiful night on Westblockwood, man. But tonight I'm gonna be teaching y'all boys the fastest money method, the fastest way to make pay in Westblockwood 2023, nigga. Y'all boys gonna be up on PayPal for this. I'm telling you, I'm gonna put y'all boys on Game P. You welcome to my boy Diego up in the bodega. The bodega, I'm gonna show y'all where it's at. And once you come to my nigga Diego, what you gonna do? You're gonna scroll all the way down to the bottom. I'm gonna grab me a slice real quick. That's my shit. What you gonna wanna do is you wanna buy sugar, dye, and CO2. You wanna keep buying that. You buy it in 3 sets. You buy 3 sets of that. You wanna buy it in that exact order so it's easier for you to cook it. Sugar, dye, CO2. It's that simple, bro. You feel me? You come out the bodega. This where the bodega at, right here. In the back, right by the gun store. Can't miss that bitch. If you do, you join the bitch. Alright, so what y'all boys wanna do, when y'all come from the bodega that's down there, y'all boys gonna wanna come up here, make a right up on this street. You can't miss it. Right by Taste of Jamaica, it's gonna be this alleyway right here. You gonna come down this alleyway and open this door. Once y'all boys get in the trap, make sure y'all boys strapped, cause niggas be in this bit being weird, I ain't gonna fake. You wanna buy you a hazmat suit. If you don't, you gonna blow your shit the fuck up. What y'all boys wanna do, you gotta put it in this exact order. You put the dye, you put the CO2, bro. You can put it in multiple pots at a time. I'll do it like this. You feel me? This shit faster for you, bro. Look. You start cooking that shit up. Hold on me cooking. Keep mixing that bitch. Once you done cooking the bricks, you put them bitches on the table like this on the slabs. Once them bitches on process, you put them bitches on the slab like that. And once they get uncut, once you done, them bitches being processed, get the uncut brick sheet and you put that bitch in the laser, cut them on and on. While that shit cooking, you go back to cooking the rest of your shit like this. And do the same thing, finish this one off, and I'm gonna take y'all boys to where you sell the brick sheet. Once you done, you take your suit off so you can leave out. So my boy, start out this shit, man. And then what you wanna do, you go to the basketball court. What you wanna do once you come from the trap, you gonna come straight out, take a left. You gonna come to the park, the basketball court. You gonna walk over to the basketball court and there's gonna be a nigga that bought brick sheet. He not here right now, 4:10 in the morning, so the nigga not gonna be here right now, obviously. He be there from 7 to 12 or something like that. Y'all boys find out for yourself, but it's nighttime for sure. Brick sheet bags, when you pop these bitches, they perks. They make you move fast as fuck like this. You can use them hoes for your own good if you want to. But it's your boy Retro, man. Thanks for watching the vid. If you want to support, make sure to drop a sub and a like, you feel me? Y'all boys be smooth. It's your boy Retro. I'm out this bit.